Hey, Jeff Howard here at Kiteboarding.com, and we got a really cool product. They're not the ones who invented this foot hook, but Slingshot has come out with it for 2017, a really nice setup for the foot hooks. Now, a lot of people ask, what are foot hooks? Well, they're a simple device. Instead of putting a full strap on the board, you have a simple hook here, and they're stiffeners, so your foot can easily go underneath there, and you can guide the board with you, and jibing, you're basically out in the open, and you don't have the full strap that's over your foot. They've become very, very popular and are really unique to using it on, like foil board riders are usually starting to use these. It's a very simple thing to guide that board to get started, as well as the guys who are on the surfboards who don't want the full strap, but want something to guide that board with you if you hop over a wave or something. I really like them, and Slingshot has done a great job here. We just got these. Now, they come in a set. If you buy them in the set, you'll get the bag with it. We're also going to sell them individually because we believe there's a lot of people who will want individuals, just one, maybe only three, or get one instead of two. Anyway, we want to do that individually. If you buy them together, you'll get the bag, and on the back here, they've done a great job. It's got instructions on it. The bag, once you use your foot hooks, I guess you could use it for something else, to store tools in or something like that. But it's got the instructions on the back. It'll come with the hardware. Now, the hardware that it comes with is two of the stainless steel plate screws like this, and it's basically like a washer. This is standard used in windsurfing and some in kiteboarding and everything else, and these are 1 inch on the outside screws and 1/2 inch. They're increments of 1/2 inch. Anyway, these are great little flange washers. Now, the other thing it comes with is these screws. Now, these screws are made for the fiber inserts on a surfboard or windsurf board. If you actually have metal inserts with screws, you will have to get different screws to mount your foot hooks. But make sure that if you do it as an insert, a screw type insert, a machine screw, you will want to make sure you get the correct length. They may come with your board and they may work, and they may not, but you want to get that correct length that you do not bottom the screw out inside of that insert. So anyway, the setup comes with the foot hook itself, and what this is, it's a very thick molded plastic piece underneath here. It's very sturdy, very durable. You can see all the hole setups in here. You can change the angle of them, as well as this is very simple to drill out or grind out if you need to get it to fit to work with your board setup. So it's great. It's very versatile and will work well. It's got a full pad here, and the neoprene cover has like a siliconized grip surface on there, which will give you a little bit more grip on them. Anyway, so I want to show you here. So what I've done is, this is one of the Crazy Fly foil decks, and what I have them mounted on here. And you can see here, I take the machine screw, I made sure it was the correct size, and I put it down through the center slot. Now, my inserts in here do not line up. A standard insert on a twin tip are a little bit different than some of the other ones. They're not 1/2 inch, some of them are 3/4 inch. But I did screw these on and put that flat washer on the inside of it and mounted it. And once I screwed it down with that plate washer in there, because the deck has the foam and this thing presses down inside of that foam, once I got it really tight, I could not move these foot hooks. They were mounted on here. I mean, I'm not turning this. I'm going to break this before I turn it. But I want to show you how that setup is. You can see here that you can guide the board and easily jibe and move your foot in and out how you would like to and how you'd wish. But simply, you can see how they flex out here, so if you fall or whatever, you can easily get out of them, but they're there. Now you can see I'm going to mount another third one back here, and when you do that, you can lock your feet inside of here and really control that board. Anyway, these are from Slingshot. These are called the foot hooks, and we believe they'll be a really great item. They're really competitively priced in the market. And if you have any questions if they're going to work on your board or any questions about mounting them, don't hesitate to give us a call here. It's Jeff Howard here at Kiteboarding.com.